though. No one's in the shorts for this. Unless someone is someone in the shorts for this, like.
I'm gonna go long here. I see 54 guys.
Bro, what? You going long?
See,
Oh my gosh.
Age low.
Holy crap.
320 age low.
I don't want it to be trying to catch up bowling nice, but I mean, should be able to good times for sure.
I got in a 335.
335. Solid entry. Okay, come so. Sun's not coming back. Oh my gosh, dude. Jeez. Literally come down a little bit more. My finger's like on the buy button. Is anyone in this? Type in the chat if you want.
I want to see us go back up to the open.
Oh yo, someone caught this short too. W.
All right, boys, we're at 50 points. 60 points.
Jeez. Yeah, your screen is like blurring out again apparently.
Oh man, I'll just switch over. Alright, we should be good now, guys.
Jeez, dude.
Is that better? Can you check my screen real quick?
Oh my gosh, dude, that's a crazy trade. Did you get that screen recorded?
Yeah, I'm recording right now.
Alright, dope. That's, dude.
I'm gonna see some rejections right here at the bottom of this. This is the Asia orb. Good. Right there in this good. I'm gonna trade my stop to go like right under this button. 30 points, straight now.
Yeah, you're right. We probably start seeing another move down. Possibly.
Probably gonna sell one bar shot this level if we reject. Alright, so we got two now.
I think it's gonna have a little bit more room to go up. Other than that, I think this could reject.
This is a pretty sketchy area because you have this 400 level, and just above it is the bottom of the Asia orb.
Yeah.
And opening orb. You have two orb bottoms right on top of this. Actually, three. We have the Asia orb, we got the 8 AM orb, and the 9:30 orb. So let's see what happens. Our 9 points. Probably move this up. Do this 5 minutes. 50 points. 47.
Yeah, and keep definitely tapping to this demand level.
Alright, we're at the. We just bounced off. Stays open. Let me pull up some order flow just to give you some direction. Yeah, this entry down here was executed off the 15 second, or I think it was on the 30. Okay, anybody caught this entry down here would be perfect. I was going to enter here at the London low, but how close this Asia low is, I just knew it was gonna, if it touched this, it's gonna touch this. It didn't touch it, but for me, this is close enough for an entry. Starting here at the stop right now, got some sellers stepping in. I got some buyers coming now.
Oh wow. Okay. Okay, so someone just asked me about my PL, which I've explained like 3 times, but now that everyone's in here, so I had traded gold. I was in gold buys like last night. I had held for like an hour and a half, and I made like $7,000. And I was like, wait, I think it's gonna come back down. So I switched from my live account, because I was on my live account that I have with Top Step, and then I switched to my XFA, and I full ported shorts, and obviously it did not work out. Yeah, so I still profited $4,300, but that's, you know, why we talked about that risk management, and you know why it's so important to not be greedy, which is exactly what I was. But yes, this was taken last night. I did not even bother alerting it because I was like, this is, I knew that it was totally stupid anyway. But yeah, that's why that's like that. So yeah.
You know, I think, know if you guys are watching my screen, this level, that price is at right now, bouncing between here. If you didn't, like, if someone doesn't have these levels marked, you really want to understand why this price in between these levels. It's to have this marked. This is 323 close and yesterday's close, which means Monday and Tuesday both had the same close. They both closed at the same price, which is insane. So to show you how reactive this price level is, They'll probably be an important level all week. Few closes happened here. A lot of price action. This is not a coincidence. This is market doing what it does. We rejected twice so far. This is in 5 minutes. Trying to 1 minute, it's a little bit more. In 5 minutes, we rejected twice off the bottom of this orb, which is actually 2 orbs. There's 1, 2, and today's open. This whole range is a little. I would not enter here if you haven't entered yet. This is not a good entry range at all. If you were to enter long, I'd wait for it to come up to 420-ish. Low risk and have stop loss for about 400.
Yeah, I mean, we're just kind of chopping now.
We got this first minute push on this new 5 minute candle. Let's see what happens. Ooh, I like this wick right here. This is a nice wick in this range. I like to see that. Alright, we're entering orb 1. We're at today's open. Got some buyers stepping in. 4 hour, 1 hour look long. 15 looks long. 5 minute looks long. Let's see if we can hit 100 points right here.
Yeah, 15 minutes, crazy.
We just hit 100 points. Let's fucking go. I like to do my stop losses at like 50-50. 500 points, I'll do about like 15 points. I'll probably go a little bit under this 5 minute candle. Wait. I can see some resistance here at 455 on the top of this orb. You can see all this price action that can happen on more countries at this level. It's no coincidence. This is what the market does. And the orbs, mostly what I trade off of, is clearly seen like that. And well respected. That may have been a liquidity sweep, a pullback for shorts. So just to be safe, I'm going to secure a little bit more points. I'll take 70.
I mean, I think shorting here would be risky because of push up. But
yeah, there's a lot of momentum on 4 hour to 1 hour, 15 to 5.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah, this is pushing.
Anybody hop in long today?
Did I?
Anybody?
Yeah, no, I think a couple people did.
I don't want to switch over back to the tag. Mess up the screen, but I want to make sure. Nice rejection at the top of this orb. This is what we want to see. Even though it's going against us, this is what I want to see right here. I move my trail just below the orb. 80 points, I'm fine with that. So just below the orb and just below the open. We got some good support levels to stop price if it wants to come down. I like this right here. 15 minute fair value. We bounce off to 0.5. Everything's looking good. Just to recap, if anybody's joined in before after I started this trade, we were waiting for price to come down to the Asia low. Once it broke out, it opened. We're waiting for this London low. We're waiting for the London low to go long. But since the Asia low was only about 30 points away, to me it was screaming that's going to be inevitable. We're to hit this and not hit this. So boom. It's the London low. That's 2 out of 4 already. Asia low, London low, Asia high, London high. We just hit both London and Asia low. Boom, once I hop off this, you know it's not exact, but due to like thickness on my line, and when I do mark these levels, they're not exactly exact. So they're down to 1 minute. I want to hit this low, but to me, this is close enough. You know that, alright, hit this. We're going to go back up and get around there. Let's go. We're going to see a little dump right here.
No, that's what I'm saying. I think that it's kind of dump, or it's going to go back up. But I think it's going to come back down. Going in light.
It also did during midweek Wednesday. Mondays and Fridays are pretty volatile. The orders need to be hit from big institutions and firms. So a lot of orbs and bids won't be as strong for Mondays and Fridays because, like I said, these banks, they have orders at certain levels. The price is going to go to these certain levels. But on a day like today, midweek Wednesday, you can clearly see that it's midweek. The trend has been created for the week, and this is when orbs and fibs, trade value gaps are really strong. All day today, we can just take trades off the orb levels and probably make a couple bangers.
Alright, this has got a hole for this shorts, but it's looking good. This hole's about to be nice. Get out that. Yeah, last night was trash.
We need to break out of this 455, 57 to the top of this orb. You see all this price action happening here all morning. But we need to break this level. Hopefully it happens right now. We still need to sweep the Asia Hive and the London Hive, which is, man, 535. You can see that? Jeez, be happy guy. Alright, we're at 140 points. I'll throw my stop to 100 right now.
Oh, how does that not? Oh. Crap.
I hope someone out there took this long with me.
I think they did. I think a couple people did actually.
I'm switch over to the next tab though. See you later.
Um,
150? 150? Alright guys, this next level, what price is coming up to? 495-ish? 490? 80 M orb. Just move through the Asia orb. We're in the opening 930 orb. So let's see if we can tap into this 8 AM orb way up here. This is off a few micro one. I started 3 micros. Gold one when we hit, I don't know, I want to say about 50 or so points around here. And yeah, I'm just taking these 2 runners as far as we can go. I want to lock in max profit here. So I want to go right under this current 5-minute wick. Right around, we just hit 150 points. We're up right now, guys. We can do this one trade for the day and walk away. It's probably what I'm going to do. Not bad. And if you did miss this entry back down here, you could have entered for sure at this point around here. All right, we're probably going to get knocked out here.
Yeah, if anyone's still in these shorts when they were up. No. Oh god, wait, that's a huge candle.
All right, I got knocked out. 107 points. Hope everybody caught that.